See, this is the international system of numeration. Now, for different digit of number, for 7, 8 or 9 digit numbers, let us see the place value chart first. See, now there are 3 periods as shown in this table. Ones period, thousands period and millions period. In ones period again 3 columns are there. These columns are common. These we also used actually in Indian system of numeration. Ones, tens, 100 place. The next one, that is 1000, 10,000 place. After 10,000 place, in Indian system of numeration, we call it as the place of lakhs. But instead of lakhs, now we are going to call it as 100,000. So 3 columns in thousands period. Okay. So here is the difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we call it as thousands period only. But here, instead of 100,000, there is a place of lakh. Now, after 100,000, next one, that is millions period. Again, 3 columns in millions period, that is millions, then 10 million and 100 million. That means in international system of numeration, after 3 columns, we are going to put comma. Okay, that is the difference between the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Now, with the help of some examples, it might be clear to you how we are going to use that international system of numeration. So, few sums I am going to solve from your exercise 1.6 so that it will be more familiar, this kind of system to you. See, with the exercise 1.6, we are going to start. Question number 2. Write the number you have been given in 10 millions, million, then 100,000, 10,000, thousands, 100, tens and ones. See. Now, here the place I am going to tell you orally. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. So, in words, 2 10 millions. Please don't copy. I am going to explain and afterwards you have to solve by your own. 2 10 millions, then 4 millions, then 300,000, after 100,000s, which is the next digit, that is 9 10,000s. After 9 10,000s, next digit, that is 8,000s. Then 600s. Then 7 tens and 5 ones. Okay. Almost 3 questions are there in the same way. That means number name, the number they have give and you have to write in words. So one type of sum I solved here. Okay. Now next question. Question number 4. Write the numeral for. Now in number they have been number name they gave. Now we have to form the number numeral. Okay. So 5 10 millions. After 10 millions, which is the place? In that place value table we see 10 millions, then million. So 5 2. After million, the place of 100,000. So 600,000. After 600,000, 8 10,000. Then place of 1000 only. So 9,000. Then 2 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 ones. So this is the numeral from the given number name. Again, there are different sums of the same type. So one only symbolically I am going to solve. So that remaining you can solve by your own. Okay. Question number 5. Write the following number in place value chart. Now, let us see. First I will draw that place value chart here. How many periods we saw? 3. Ones period. Then tens period. It's not tens actually. It is the period of 1000. And after 1000, there is a period of millions. Okay. In ones period again, ones, tens, 100. In 1000 period, the place of 1000, then 10,000, 100,000. Okay. Initial only I am going to write 100,000. And again in million, the 3 columns are there. Million, 10 million and 100 million. Now simply we have to put these digits in this chart or in this table. So we are going to start from right to left. So 6, place of ones. 7, place of 10. 8 in the column of 100. Then 0 in the column of 1000. 9 in the column of 10,000. After 9, 2, that is 100,000. Then 1 in the column of million. And last one, that is 3 in the column of 10 million. So in this way we can put the given numeral in place value chart or in place value table. These type of sums are so simple. Only you have to put one by one in the respective column. Okay. Now write the number name for this given number. See. Again, wait. See. Now, as per International System of Numeration, as we are going to move from right to left, after the column group of 3 digits, we can put comma. See. So it will become easier to give the name. This is the ones, then 1000, and this is for million. Okay. Now how to call it as? It is 200. This number I am going to represent. See, 200, then 39. But it is which period? Million. So 239 million. Okay. Then 823. Now this is the column of 1000 period. So thousands. And 189. It is so simple if we put the column, if we put the comma, so that from the group it is very easy for us to represent the number name. Okay. Now the last one, write the numeral form. Now the number name they have gave, you have to form the number or numeral. 754 million, exactly opposite to this one. See, you can see here the upper one and this lower one. Number gave, number name you have to write. Now here number name they gave and we have to form the numeral. Now 754 million. 754 million. That means here the period of millions finishes. Okay. Then 334,000. 334,000. Here is the period of that 1000 completed. Okay. And 628. 628. So this is the numeral. Wait. 8 this is. So this is the numeral for the given number name. See, in the same way, the remaining sums you have to solve from your exercise 1.6. So in the same way, remaining sums you have to solve from your exercise 1.6. But please note here, in that last sum, though I put comma first, but for in any way, in any case, when we are going to form the numeral, you have to first write down the whole numeral and then only you have to put comma, so that any mistakes will not happen. Because in this way, please don't put comma, otherwise you may get confused or sometimes it may become wrong. Okay. So here we completed our first lesson and you have to complete that exercise 1.6 and remaining sums from your exercise also. So here we completed your first lesson. In our next video we are going to continue with our next lesson. Thank you.